Hey everybody, I'm Barb from G2S and I'm going to show you how to make a classic daiquiri. This iconic drink has been around since the 1600s, yet the recipe has only been written down for about 125 years. Pirates in the Caribbean would have consumed the ingredients in this drink to prevent scurvy long before it was called a daiquiri. However, an American living and working in Cuba named Jennings Cox is credited with this drink since he wrote it down in 1896. The story goes, Jennings was entertaining some friends and they ran out of booze. So he went out to get the cheapest bottle of alcohol he could find, which was rum. And he made a punch from this rum and his friends loved it so much and they asked him what it was called. So he named it daiquiri after a local beach, and the rest is history. The daiquiri is one of the most misunderstood cocktails. There's only 3 ingredients in a classic daiquiri. It's just rum, lime, and sugar. And it's always shaken, it's never blended. So anything other than that is just a variation on the daiquiri. So I'm gonna use my G2S cocktail shaker set. So I need a cocktail shaker, a jigger, a reamer, and a strainer. So I'm gonna start by juicing my limes, and you definitely wanna use the freshest ingredients possible for the best results. And I'm gonna use my reamer. So next, I'm gonna put ice in my cocktail shaker. So I need 1.5 ounces of lime juice. So I'm gonna use the small side, which is the 1 ounce, and then I'll fill it halfway for the 1/2 ounce. And next, I'm gonna use simple syrup. And if you've never made simple syrup before, it's so easy. It's just equal parts of water and sugar. And all you do, for example, put 1/2 cup of sugar and 1/2 cup of water in a saucepan over heat and just swirl it until the sugar is fully dissolved. And then once it's all melted, just pour it into an airtight container like this, and it'll keep in the fridge for up to a month. So I need 1.5 ounces of simple syrup. So again, I'm gonna do the 1 ounce side, and then I'll fill it halfway. So the star of this drink is the rum, and since there's so few ingredients, you're definitely gonna want a good quality drinking rum. So I'm using a white rum by Bacardi, and you need 3 ounces. So this is the 2 ounce side. I'm gonna fill it all the way up. And then I'll do the 1 ounce side, fill that all the way up. So next, I'm just gonna put the lid securely on the shaker, and I'm gonna give that a really good shaking. The shaking isn't just to cool the drink, it's also to impart some of the water from the ice to help balance the acidity. So next, I'm just gonna strain this into my pretty coupe glass. And then I'm gonna garnish that with lime. Just float that right on top, and I'm gonna take a sip. That's really delicious. It's the perfect blend of sweet and sour to complement the rum. It's really delicious. It's much different than what I thought a daiquiri was, but it's so much better than those sweet slushy things. This is really good. Thank you so much to my returning viewers for watching today. And if you're new to this channel, thank you so much for tuning in. And if you haven't done so already, please hit the like and the subscribe buttons below. That helps to build our channel so we can keep bringing you great recipes. Thank you so much. Cheers.